Hi Kathy, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a web page from a Word document. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Word document. So I'm opening your syllabus, okay? So the syllabus is open and you click up on the top under Edit, then you click Select All. Everything's going to go in blue. Then you click up on Edit and hit Copy. Now you can close the Word document. Go into Moodle. We're going to turn editing on. Okay. We're going to go to any section here. We're going to add an activity or resource. We're going to make a page. You hit Add. Okay. We're going to give it a name. I'm going to call it Kathy's Syllabus as a web page. Okay. Now, under content, you want to hit this icon over here that says Paste Special. Okay. It's to the left of the microphone. You hit that. This box is going to open. You click on the side where it says Content to be pasted, and you have to hit Control V. Okay, that pastes it into the document, and now you click down here where it says complete the paste, and then you go down and you hit save and return to the course. Okay, and now when you open that web page, it's going to open in a new window, and voila, everything as you have it in Word is now a web page. So that's as simple as it gets. Try that out. As you can see, I made a couple of them up in your top section there. You probably looked at them in that, but it's that easy. Just basically open your Word document, select all the text that's in that, then copy it into memory, go and create a web page. Insert that, under the paste special, and drop it in there, and there you go. All right. Take care, Kathy.